Let's stick with AI. The next test on deck with Nvidia earnings after the closing bell. Jay Goldberg of Seaport Global remaining the sole sell on the stock, writing, "We think Nvidia will meet expectations. It is hard to see them delivering much upside." Jay joins us now for more. Jay, welcome to the show. Still the big bear based on the recommendation. Let's get into it. What's going to cap the upside from here?
I think they're limited on capacity, right? We know that the industry is constrained across semiconductors. The big problem for Nvidia is what the capacity they can get out of TSMC, both in manufacturing and packaging. And I think that sort of caps their upside until maybe later this year when we get a little bit more capacity out of TSMC.
Well, Jay, beyond next year, over the next several years, is this going to remain an issue? Is it something we can look through at the moment?
I think we're in a somewhat historic peak of capacity constraints right now for across semiconductors, right? Every sort of nook and cranny you look into in the industry, things we haven't thought about in years, like substrates and photoresist chemicals, everything is in shortage right now. And that's going to last. Some of those are going to last through the year. Memory looks like it's going to be constrained through the year, but semiconductors are cyclical, and eventually things will ease. Probably next year, but who knows when that's going to be.
Well, Jay, that's the big question, because you are the sole sell. There's 4 holds. There's 78 buys on this name. What are the 78 getting wrong?
I think that the difficulty Nvidia has is it's gotten so big, and for it to keep momentum going, the deals that we're looking at, getting these data centers built to the scale that is going to be sufficient for their numbers, that's going to be challenging, right? We're already sort of starting to see the stress on the capital market side. It's getting harder and harder to fund these data centers, and the data centers are just going to get bigger and bigger. And Nvidia needs that to keep the numbers going. And so I think that it's just getting harder and harder for Nvidia to sell.